My name is Oskar Falk. I'm the general manager of this operation here in ALQ. Two things make this plant unique. First of all, it's a platform cooperation between different brands. Second part is that we also have a common process that we can use. We can build the cars in the same way. By doing this, you're able to put all different models, different brands into the same flow of production, and over time you can implement new products into this flow as well. So this is very competitive.
We can build 3 different brands, 3 different type vehicles on one assembly line, which can be done in most car factories.
Since we had a big mix of different interests and different cultures and perspectives into this program, when we looked into the things we should cultivate or develop further in our culture, we stuck into a word called baolong in Chinese, which is very much inclusiveness, actually taking care of different things and accept different personalities or background for people. I think I learned a lot from Geely. Geely has a very good capability of delivering and execute things. When you really face short lead time or face a big problem, I'm very impressed about the Geely way of approaching this, and by very quick action and by also very lot of hard working, solving the issues. And this kind of advantages can only be done with a very cooperative group like Geely.